Hello, good morning everyone. I'm here in our plaza. See, look at the plaza of Arqueta. It's very early in the morning after church because we need to deliver some cakes with my nieces and nephews. Yeah, so many flowers. See, city of wait, I need to go back because that city of I will show you the Arqueta. I forgot my gimbal because I didn't expect that early at this time I can be here, you know. Arqueta. So that's it. So I need to go back there. Here. So this is our plaza. I'm proudly present our plaza here in Arqueta, which is so very beautiful. Look at that. Look. So this is the flagpole, and here is Jose Rizal. That's Dr. Jose Rizal. See, look, wow, so beautiful, like nature. That's Dr. Jose Rizal. And every afternoon, we used to come here. Every afternoon because there's a food stall, and that is the church here. Big church here in the city, Holy Rosary. So you can see also. Amazing. Beautiful. If you go there, there's a seawall. I can go there. So great. I'll just go there for you to see, to show you around that at this time I came here. You know, come here, very nice, so nice. Look at that. So that's a seawall. I'll just need to go there, and also there's some beaches there. And there's also trees over there, which is so nice, beautiful Sunday. So I need to go. So it's very clean. Arqueta City is the cleanest city here. I think it's all in Mindanao. I'm not sure, huh? Correct me if I'm wrong, because I am not sure. So beautiful like you. Alright, we need to go back now. Look, beautiful trees, beautiful city. That's Rizal. And look at that, there's a Robinson over there. So that's it. I need to be very careful, go down, because there is a steep. Palito, ako gadalag wallet. Okay, let's go. That is Talisay tree over there. Talisay tree is very shady, no? Talisay tree, it's very shady. Good siya. Look, the tree. Okay. Makalandong. Change. Okay, let's go. Mubalik ka do? Ana? Sige. Alright, let's go. Bye, Plaza. Bukay na kayo ng kiosk ba? Municipal. 1925. My gosh. That's 1925. Okay. Going back na home. Nakabalos lang heading back home. It's getting hot in here. Alright. Namutang mang ko kain moisturizer. Paano to? Sunscreen pa. It's very hot na no, early in the morning. Okay, that is the way we are here on the motor. Motor. Oy, hina-hina lang dong. Oh, ginamong transport rin. Public transportation. Ala, it's a pine tree. Ala, nabali. Or gibali siya. Nabali gito sa hangin. Ala, this is our Centro mo. Centro ba ni? Ay, Metro Central. Sorry, soon to rise. So, by next month siguro or after 2 months. Okay na siya. Dili kaya do. Bella Flor. Naanami sa amo, basta kani gali nga gianan. So mo na meaning nga hapit na mi maabot sa mua. Kana tanan yo nakit-an dia amo na. Kini pod. Among agianan ug among nalabyan. Diba? Tanan. Oh, amo. Amo, diba? Among nagian, among nalabyan. And I thank you. Agianan. Kana lagi amo ana, among agianan. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Happy Sunday.